Welcome to Edu Nudge. Today we'll explore the Master Indian States and Capitals game, an interactive educational tool that makes learning India's geography fun and engaging. This free tool offers 4 different learning modes to suit every learning style. Let's start with a quick overview. The game features a beautifully designed map of India with all 28 states color-coded by regions. Notice the regional color legend on the left. North states in red, West in teal, Central in yellow, East in blue, Northeast in purple, and South in orange. The interface is clean and intuitive, perfect for students of all ages. First, let's explore Learn mode, perfect for beginners. In this mode, simply hover your mouse over any state to instantly see its name and capital city. For example, hovering over this state shows Maharashtra, Mumbai. It's that simple. This mode is ideal for initial familiarization. You can explore at your own pace, no pressure, no timer. Notice how each region has its distinct color, making it easier to remember geographical patterns. This visual learning approach helps students build mental maps of India's political geography. Now let's move to Practice mode, where learning becomes interactive. Click on Practice, then Start Game. In this mode, you'll answer 10 challenging multiple-choice questions. When I click on a state, the game immediately generates a question asking which state did you click and what is its capital. Notice how the clicked state is highlighted in black for clarity. You get 4 options to choose from, and the system tracks your score. If you're correct, you see a green check mark and encouraging feedback. If wrong, the correct answer is highlighted in green, and your wrong answer in red, and you can study it before moving to the next question. After 10 questions, you'll see your final percentage score, perfect for self-assessment. Perfect mode is for serious learners who want to master all 28 states. Click Perfect, then Start Game. Here, the game will ask you to find specific states one by one. For instance, it says find a particular state. You click on the correct state, and it turns green permanently. There's no time pressure here. Take your time to think and learn. After finding each state correctly, click Next State to continue. This mode ensures you learn the location of every single state systematically. Finally, Challenge mode, the ultimate test. This is where speed meets knowledge. Select your difficulty level first. Easy gives you 90 seconds, medium 60 seconds, hard 45 seconds, and expert mode just 30 seconds to find all states. Notice the timer starts immediately. Unlike perfect mode, challenge mode auto-progresses. You don't need to click Next State. Find each state quickly as the timer counts down. The pressure makes it exciting. If you run out of time, the game ends and shows your final score. This mode is perfect for competitive learning and testing your mastery. This tool offers multiple learning benefits: visual learning through the interactive map, kinesthetic learning through clicking and interaction, progressive difficulty from Learn to Challenge mode, and immediate feedback for reinforcement. It's perfect for students preparing for competitive exams, geography lessons, or anyone wanting to strengthen their knowledge of Indian states and capitals. Visit edunudge.in to access this free tool and explore our other educational resources. Start with Learn mode to build your foundation, practice with the MCQ system, perfect your knowledge systematically, and finally challenge yourself with the timed mode. Happy learning!